MCP is trending everywhere, but a lot of folks still don't know how to create their own MCP server. Hey there everyone, I am Arindam and today I am going to show you how you can build your own MCP server using AI without writing a single line of code. Sounds interesting? So let's start. First, we will go to the MCP docs. So they have a separate section for building MCPs with LLMs, and I will also show you how you can implement this. So as you can see here, first step is going to this llm.txt. So this file contains all information about MCPs, how to build it for LLMs. So we don't need to remember everything. We will just pass this to our LLMs and they will do the rest for us. For this example, I will build an MCP server for Google SERP API. So this is their API docs. You can see all the information mentioned here, what parameters it takes. So again, we don't need to remember everything. We will just pass this to our LLMs. Awesome. So let's start building. I will be using Verb for building this MCP server. So let's go to our Verb terminal. I am in my Verb terminal and now I will ask it to create the MCP server. So I will paste this command. So here I'm just mentioning to create MCP server and I'm just referring the docs here, the SERP API docs, and how to build LLMs docs is that llms.full.txt. So now let's run this. As you can see here, it started working. First, it will use the UV to initialize the project. Now it will add the dependencies. So it is now creating the MCP server for us. As you can see here, it is going to the docs and MCP documentation and the SERP API docs and building the server for us. So it will take some time to create it. Awesome, it has created the first version. So let's just accept it. So it has also created the example env file. Awesome. So it has also added the readme here, as you can see. So we'll just accept it. Also, it has given us the command to run it, but we will not be using it. So I will just tell it to skip this test as use plot desktop to test our MCP server. Awesome. So the server is completed. As you can see here, it has added all the features and stuff. As you can see here, it has also given me the Cloud Texture configuration file as well, but it has used Python here. So we will use UV for it. So I will just tell it to change the config accordingly. Change the Cloud config to UV. So as you can see here, it has changed the implementation here. So it has also updated the docs here. So just accept the changes. And it has given us the updated Cloud Desktop configurations. So let's paste it here. I have also added the separate API key here. And now let's open our Cloud Desktop. Awesome. So as you can see here, you can see the Server API tool that we have just created. So we can see all the tools here: Google Search, Google News Search, Google Images Search, and Google Shopping Search as well. So now I will ask it to find MacBook Pro prices from shopping. So let's just search it. Awesome, it has started searching. So it will ask us to allow this tool. So it has performed the search. As you can see, it is the response of this search and it has given us the price range for it. So now we will ask it to find flights from Kolkata to Bangalore. So now it will use the Google search. So I will allow once again. So it has got the response here and now we will get the budgets, average price and the operating routes and all those details. And that's it. We have created our MCP server, that too without writing a single line of code. So you can create your MCP servers from your API docs and I have shown you how simple it is. And thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. I hope you found this useful and I will see you in the next video.